Your favorite side dish could be quietly increasing your diabetes risk by 20%, and it's probably on your plate right now. We're talking about French fries, and no, other types of potatoes don't have the same effect. In a massive study spanning nearly 40 years and over 200,000 people, scientists found something shocking. Just 3 servings of French fries a week can significantly raise your risk of type 2 diabetes. But boiled, baked, or mashed potatoes? No big risk jump. Potatoes have fiber, vitamin C, and magnesium, all good for you. But when deep fried, they soak up unhealthy fats, get loaded with salt, and send your blood sugar soaring. That combo puts your body under constant metabolic stress. Here's the good news. Replacing fries with whole grains like quinoa oats or brown rice cuts your diabetes risk by nearly 20%. But swapping them for white rice, that actually increases your risk. It's not just what you eat, it's how you prepare it and what you replace it with. Keep the fryer at arm's length. Enjoy potatoes baked, boiled, or mashed, and make whole grains your go-to carb. So are potatoes off the plate? Not at all. Just skip the deep fryer and choose healthier carbs. What's your favorite healthy potato recipe? Share it in the comments and subscribe for more science-backed food facts.